Hi students, in last video I had discussed about what is the meaning of abstraction, levels of abstraction and types of abstraction. In this video I am going to discuss about what is the meaning of modularity, characteristics of modularity, modular design and effective modular design. So let's see what is the meaning of modularity. So here modularity plays an important role in designing the architecture of the software, that is nothing but architectural design of the software. So it has become one of the important desirable feature in designing the architecture of the software. So let's see what is the meaning of modularity. So modularization is nothing but it is the process of breaking a system into pieces called modules, so that these modules can be managed and implemented easily and separately. So here a module is a part of software system that can be separately implemented, and a change in one module will definitely has a minimal effect on other modules. That means modules will interact with each other. There exists some kind of relationship between that divided modules. So changes in one module will definitely affect in other modules. So thus the modular system consists of various modules that are linked via interfaces. So we are dividing the entire software into modules, and definitely modules will relate with one module definitely will relate with another module. So that relationship is represented with the help of interfaces. So modules are linked with the help of interfaces. So here an interface is a kind of relationship that combines two or more modules together. Means the interconnection between the modules are represented with the help of interfaces, and with that help of interfaces modules are linked. Two or more modules can be linked with the help of interfaces. So here modularity is the measure of modularization of a system into pieces, and each piece is called as a module. Okay, na? So modularization is nothing but dividing the entire software project into pieces, dividing the entire software project into pieces, and each piece is called as a module, and these modules will interact with each other. Definitely change in one module will definitely affect in another module, and this module are linked with the help of interfaces. So here there are various terms of modules depending on the paradigm of the programming language we are using in developing the software. So for we have different types of terms in modules. Let's see some of the terms, that is module can be a function, it can be a procedure, it can be a program, a module can be a subroutine, a module can be a class, and a module can be a package, it can be a framework, it can be library files, templates and components. So depending upon the programming paradigm we are using in developing the software, so it can be different. So modules can be it has many types of names. It depends upon the programming paradigm we are using. So a module can be a function, it can be called as a procedure, it can be called as a program, it can be called as a class, it can be called as a framework, it can be called as templates, right. So let's see some of the characteristics of modularization, some of the characteristics. So first measures the independency. So here the modularity measures the independency of the part of the system, which enhances the separation of concerns, and next one, modularization enhances the quality factors, and and a single module can contain data structures, input output statements, instructions, and processing logic, actual logic, and a module can be reused into another module, and a module can be called into another module. So, we can call another module within another module. So, we can call one module from another module, and the next one reused. So, a module here, a module can be reused within other module or other modules. So, one module can be reused in one or more modules. And next one, here a modular system can be easily developed, maintained and debugged. So, if at all we get any errors, so it can be easily debugged, right. And next one is here modularization reduces the design complexities in a system through various distributed software architectures. And next one is modularity improves the design clarity and understandability. So, here by dividing the project into modules, pieces, we can improve the design clarity and understandability, that which can be easily understandable for clients or developers or organizational members, right. So, these are the some of the characteristics of modularity or modularization. And next one we will see modular design. So, here a modular design mainly focuses on minimizing the interconnections between the modules. So, here we mainly focus on minimizing the interconnections between the divided modules, divided pieces, right. So, in a modular systems, there are several independent and executable modules are compared together in order to construct an executable application program, right. So, next here we have different programming languages which support like interfaces, that is, and information hiding principles, which ensures the modular design. So, next, effective modular design. So, when we will say that effective modular design. So, we have effectively divided the system or software into modules. When we will say means, here an effective modular system must have low coupling and high cohesion, right, low coupling and high cohesion. So, here coupling and cohesion are often used as opposite ends of the scale in measuring how good a piece of software is. So, these are coupling and cohesion are inversely proportional, right. So, these metrics, coupling and cohesion metrics are commonly used for measuring the effectiveness of the effective modular design. So, here coupling and cohesion are two most important criteria used to measure the modularity of the system. So, how we can say that it is an effective modular design means it should have low coupling and high cohesion. So, what is the meaning of coupling and what is the meaning of cohesion, we will see in next lecture. At present we have learned that what is the meaning of modularity, some of the characteristics of modularity, and what is meaning of modular design and effective modular design. Thank you.